Today, for the first time, I'm going to try to cut these bales up with a chainsaw. An exciting day. I hope it works. If it doesn't, well, nothing ventured, nothing gained. That's what I always say. You don't know until you find out. Well, I'm going to give it a try, so wish me luck. Well, that worked great. It even cut through the bale twine. Andy, shush. Now I'm going to try to make a cut down here on this side and see if I can cut it on the side as well, down below. Well, I'm really excited about this. I had no idea it'd be so easy to cut it. I would have done this a long time ago. Well, I found one little problem. It looks like the twine is starting to wrap around my sprocket in there. So I've got to get that loose before I cut anything else. Not much problem at all, just a little bit of twine got wrapped around it. Hardly any inconvenience at all. I'll put it back together and I'll be in business once again. What I'm doing with these cuts, I'm going to cut down low right here, and I'm going to try to make this in 3 sections. I have a cut across the top, a cut on this side, and a cut on that side, so to make it easier to haul it to my barn right over there to store it out of the wind and the rain and from the little goats and everything who wants to eat it. Well, that was really easy, and I didn't get any twine cut into this time. Now I've got to cut a little bit more on the top, and I think I'll be able to start pulling it apart easily and moving the bale. How about that? Now all there's left to do is to try to unravel this. We'll see how that works. I hope it's very easy to pull loose now and take it over to my barn over there and store it. So when I need it, I can just pull a little bit of it out, put it into a trash can, and carry it where I want it, over to my goats, my sheep. I have all kinds of different little places I have for my goats and the sheep. So let's see how it pulls loose. Well, working good so far. Well, this is really easy. I'm very impressed with the way this is working so far. Well, that job went smoothly. I wish everything on the farm would go as easily as cutting that bale up. There's a little bit of hay left on the ground, but that's okay. It's a nice little place for the goats to lay on. Well, let's go to the barn and I'll show you the hay that's in the barn. And then we'll go over to the goats and we'll feed them some hay. And they'll like that hay. Here you can see I've gone ahead and put the hay in this barn. It keeps it out of the moisture. And I somewhat spread a little tarp over it. And that'll help keep it from absorbing a lot of moisture from the atmosphere if it's really humid outside. Well, I hope this video was useful for anyone who's been struggling like I have in the past trying to get the hay off of the big round bales. Seems like something I'm not going to give up anytime. I'll keep buying the big bales and saving money instead of buying the small bales. And I like the way those bales all unwind when they've been cut up. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.